na the person no be do enkomo baby a Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition program wo sai manager ide ye hwe institutions no challenges a omo wa ye no nti ama omo dwumadi na aye bibia ohodomo no from where you are any encounter with these institutions no e dey na we identify ohun say weaken your institutions no in the way forward.
Okay, maybe community meeting for me now. I will come say na non-quadro. So you're sharing public institutions and you will see CRNA. I think the biggest issue are on my public institutions. No one is strong. Yeah, first the politicization of virtually BBI or Ghana Kuma to the extent the CCI the politics as a public agencies world of Kitsima will to Fahudi and independence are what's being renewed. It's the biggest issue of my public agencies no one is strong enough no partisan politics are yes as a world. This is because say obi wo opposition na obi wa benman what should public agencies know with an idea as a public agency near there or ye bibia one opposition na one abenman we feel there the public agency you know or ye one in once what benman they find ways and means we be officers if you one was it one kasa we nipa ashawa obomo won kon wa control public agencies no mo to why that nwa wo pe until the first one here partisan politics is actually public agencies in world. The second issue here emra yema only go Ghana Kuma. In fact Ghana is a very lawless country. Why the yen Kuma ya wono in bani more court pay until if court them in many need more be and that is also the reason for your public agencies no they are weak because say among for your public agencies now if they go wrong we are unable to hold them to account and punish them if possible. Inti one BBI the year cry 1 year she every day be a year can audits in summer year to the extent there will for 2 years and 2 months, but still salary call nipa na accounting or they immediately nipa or validate them nipa for 2 years now. Watch the head of the institution. In fact, we have to arrest everybody in that chain because when you get nipa name, in fact, we call you they know the nipa name. But I mean, in the working and what's on a so and why it's funny. You know, we don't implement the laws. Also, come institutions need. Another one is poor leadership. The nipa yet when see ignoring the one windy ignorant either they won't qualify, another will need the qualities are over one man. Which why you ignoring into poor leadership and a resource constraints there. Public agents nankasa ye more sikabo of enigma. Mikaye a public agency in the whole of the year, public agency no budget 1.5 million Ghana cedis. Advice me free Ministry of Finance be o kind of 1,500,000 Ghana cedis. No problem. Until it's na your son yes BBI boom. As at the third quarter of the year, not only 150,000 Ghana cedis na waba. Until eduma dem no how strong can they be to work? Because Adza was back like a cancer was being only. Then another one you oversight. One and all should agencies in world. Parliament Nankasano, how do they perform their oversight functions? In Indian Timenufo, in civil society also, how are we engaging them agencies? You know too. Yeah, should we make sure they human warrior and a baby or a child what's in Hawaii. These 5 reasons are the reasons into your public agencies in a week. 1, the partisan politics as a world. 2, the membra in 3 the poor leadership. Obi ba na wafa ni nipa dinashim nipa ne be unqualified another only qualities dinashim it would create problems. 3 and 4 resource constraints. The young man academy won fe ni eduma since your teachers be eduma call 13 months I won ni eduma. Meanwhile obi for 26 months still you share salary in a year weak oversight. The phone and option the in the queen world na se bibi ko bona these are the reasons into young public agencies or weak, and if we don't address the weaknesses here, then I'm sorry to say that your public agencies in the actually you will get worse than this.
Mr. Cudjoe, some kind very striking here, even at the Public Accounts Committee, when they have identified, and I say whom be said, there's this more practice. Misappropriation of funds, and it's more like we laugh over them. And any deterrent ma obia the way forward, and it's even when and I debate very dangerous. No, we just see them as funny.
Yes, you know, and again because we are not tough on
the laws.
On corruption. But let's make them. We are not tough on corruption. You may remember them in Zamanu. You may assumption in your one. There must be a quarter in there adjourn or adjourn. Now they judge call a legal vacation. Addition, there might be 2 years. Now some young can be you know, you can answer. All my panama amount to 2 years. I will share my normal example. Just about 2 days ago, in the news about China, one former agric minister, bribes to be around $37 million. Because of corruption, he has been sentenced to death.
Yes.
Ghana Hano, Imperial Cadet, because of corruption, we are sentencing somebody to death. Suddenly, you know, human rights lawyers. The issue is that we are not tough on corruption. We are not tough on misleadership and misgovernance. Inti obia 2 years open in that Josie or Public Accounts Committee. At the ya arrest obia. At the ya process will be for court immediately. There's a you is criminal. Inti on face court. At simple day a specialized court into them corruption issues see we want to wait there some intensive reaction so that obiti almost be issue the at leader. So this is our problem and obey shopping in a year political leaders nipa ya phone ni dwuma da won tina no won hwe dwuma ne man inti we should be interested in what nipa ya phone ni dwuma da won yem das inti mesre the odu baby na ye ka oman ho asema yemfa ye party colors ntunchen na yen ka improve to some the development of the country yen kan ho asem ye ka dem development ni we can go back to doing party politics yan yen dem a oman no obeye no obecha sisia amanaman piu ko ni Ghana no why there say yigina fa ko say yet wa be nechi inti won na yen dwon oman no prove to the first ye dwon no bia you go to your party politics by that time today oman no twumpu na ko ni ma ni nyina so ye ho be han kakra nti kaka mi di beja asantima na Ghana fu na Ghana no yenya yeza you make sure that we work for the development of this country first.